on high horse.
All systems operational. Diva, ready for combat.
Kosuke says you guys have this, by the way.
Wait to get into the fight.
Thank God.
Or Kasake.
Oh no. Oh, Ox leaving.
All right. Game phase.
All right, don't worry about it. Just play the scrim.
Yeah. All right. You're right.
Yeah. I don't look at the message. Where are we positioning?
Here. Or we can
Alright.
position up. I don't know if I can make it up there, can I?
Let's shoot for a new high score.
Or wait.
No, so Mitch, top, and then we'll be positioned here.
I'll grapple back up once I see where their widow goes.
Jazz is already tipped.
Yeah, hopefully he's recording.
Shields down. Shred Reinhardt. He's out here.
He's dead,
Yeah,
he's dead.
shit.
I'm out. They're probably gonna res though.
Fat purple.
She's dead.
dead.
Zari.
Sorry, one.
Ryan.
Widow's behind.
Hey, Widow's behind. Widow and Genji.
Get the widow.
Widow's on high ground. Genji's on
With the
other high
Genji.
ground.
I can't see you, Joker.
Genji's on Ana.
Where
Ana.
did she even go?
She's down here by underpass.
Oh fuck, Genji's challenging me up top. Help, break.
I'm coming.
He backed off. I fell down.
Yeah, pull back.
He's
Pull back.
Mark.
Rhino charge.
Ryan slept. Fat purple. Zari half. Zari one corner.
Oh, no rolls.
Sorry, one.
Stall. No heals.
Sorry, literally one. Oh my god.
Kill the widow.
Genji Lucio.
Genji me.
We're on our way back.
Thank you.
Genji spawn camping?
Yeah, he's marked by Venom. So is Widow.
Was it worth contesting?
No. They're grouped.
Back off.
I'm just gonna kill their Lucio real quick.
Back
They're just gonna res him.
Back it up, Mitch.
Engineer defog.
Defense matrix activated.
Widow's top left.
So Ryan's not, he's shredding his shield.
I'm on Genji, he's half, he's out.
Yes,
They have walls.
They have walls.
They're going bottom right.
Yep. I'm gonna rotate.
Got Lucian.
Nice.
Sights of our own.
I'm on Widow. Widow pushing half, she's bottom left with them.
Alright, I'm keeping some distance here. I'm gonna pull them backwards. Alright.
I have Nano here.
Toss it.
Widow, Lizzie.
I had to save you, Mitch. I had to save you.
Okay, coming
That
back in.
works. Mercy.
Ooh, big bomb.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Widow behind, underneath!
Oh, I couldn't get the Lucio.
Good fucking shot, dude. That guy's nutty.
Good job, Blind. That's a great bomb.
We're gonna have grab here, right?
Most likely.
Oh, for sure. I'd rather break the bubble than...
I have blade again. Genji bottom right. Everybody going bottom right again. Widow still main. She's going for Mega.
Genji's going around back. Genji probably has...
Zari behind you.
Shit.
Widow main.
Hogs, Ryan's coming right side. Right side. I can charge in.
Genji behind. Oh,
Pause.
what?
Zarya's gonna be half the moment we come out of it.
I think Ryan DC'd. Just, was walking forward into a wall. Yeah.
I'm coming to help you, basically.
I think I hit the Genji.
I'm
Nice
pretty
shot.
sure this slash is gonna go straight to Zarya. And they're down Widow.
Where is Zarya located?
Directly behind the...
Right of
inside.
mine, okay.
Directly in front of me.
Okay. Diva's like right in front of me, so I can't see any of the screen.
I'm gonna join just to get your guys' comms in, but my sound's working good, so we
Okay.
can on that.
Okay. Yeah, just stay muted so you're not interested in, you know, you don't accidentally talk or something.
He joined muted. He unmuted to say that.
I can't hear anything over this fucking Zarya.
All I can hear is my own gun.
Also, I
just
stopped
hear-
it. I stopped it, so it's gonna be 2 different videos. The first half and then the second half, which will have comms.
That's fine.
It's courteous.
If you hit tab, it gets slightly quieter, and if you spam tab, it hurts my ears.
All I hear is Arissa and the tinking of the timer.
I
Yep.
can't even go to like
Same.
career profile or anything. Like I half want to turn my sound down, but then I don't want to have it like I'm actually just turn my fucking sound off for a minute. And just leave it on this screen because I'll see when he joins.